Got the birds all confused. It's supposed to be a few days in the winter here. Less than a week in the winter. The official start anyhow. North is looking more like the south.